Have you ever wondered what truly powers the digital world around us, often without us even noticing? It's a quiet force, an operating system that underpins much of our modern technology, yet remains largely invisible to the average user. This unsung hero is Linux, an open-source operating system based on the Unix design, created by Linus Torvalds in 1991 as a free alternative. Its open-source nature means anyone can view, modify, and distribute its code freely, leading to diverse distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Linux quietly dominates the internet's infrastructure, powering a vast majority of servers for tech giants like Google, Meta, X, and Amazon. It's also the operating system of choice for all of the world's top 500 supercomputers, the machines used for groundbreaking scientific research, from weather forecasting to developing new medicines. Over 96% of the world's top 1 million web servers run on Linux. Beyond the data centers, Linux is literally in your pocket. Android, the world's most popular mobile operating system, is built upon the Linux kernel. That's billions of devices right there. Furthermore, it's embedded in countless smart devices, from your smart TV and home router to various IoT gadgets, seamlessly managing their operations because it's lightweight, secure, and doesn't cost the manufacturer anything to use. Even companies like Microsoft, traditionally competitors, now leverage Linux for some of their critical cloud services, a testament to its reliability. The success of Linux is rooted in its open-source nature, offering unparalleled stability, flexibility, and robust security. Its ability to operate for extended periods without needing a reboot makes it incredibly reliable for critical systems worldwide. Why are you running Linux on your desktop? The simple answer is marketing and user experience. For decades, Microsoft and Apple have spent billions of dollars making their operating systems user-friendly for the average person and putting them in every store. They built a familiar world of icons, start menus, and app stores that just works out of the box for most people. Linux, traditionally, was the domain of developers, engineers, and hobbyists who valued customization and control over plug-and-play simplicity. It had a reputation for being complicated, and for a long time, that was true. Linux's desktop market share has been steadily growing, reaching over 4% by February 2024. But things are changing fast. Modern Linux distributions like Ubuntu and Linux Mint are now incredibly user-friendly, with beautiful interfaces and simple app stores. They can do everything your current computer can do: browse the web, send emails, edit documents, and even play thousands of games thanks to incredible progress from companies like Valve. The biggest barrier today is simply awareness. Most people use what came with their computer and never think to try something else. From its humble beginnings as a student project, Linux has evolved into a versatile operating system that powers much of the modern computing world. So, the next time you stream a movie, browse the web, or use your smartphone, remember the silent giant working tirelessly behind the scenes. You're likely using Linux in more ways than you realize, a testament to the power of open-source innovation. Linux is the invisible backbone of our digital world, proving that the most powerful revolutions are often the quietest ones. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Global Jade B News channel for more tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Linux or if you're curious to learn more.